Today, we will be testing a new momentum indicator. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing thousands of indicators and strategies, and I'm testing more every single day here on the channel. I've taken the information from my testing and compiled that into spreadsheets. And if you are interested in getting access to the original 1,100 plus tested indicators that took me over 3 years of testing to put together, you can get access absolutely free. Just click the link down below in the description that says 1100 plus free indicator list here. All right, as I said, today we will be testing a new momentum indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 695 different strategies, with 190 of them being winners. And so far, since we've been using the Nexus backtest indicator, we've tested the most recent 108 different strategies. And out of those 108 strategies, we've been able to make every single one either more profitable than the original strategy or profitable when the original strategy wasn't, using the Nexus backtest indicator. And so far, the single best weekly profit from one single strategy has been $7,300. Before we get on with today's video, I realized I've never actually showed the spreadsheet here on the channel. And I feel like there's a lot of value here for the patrons of the channel. People might want to see what it is that they would be getting. So what we have here is the title of the source video. We have a link to the video that I made on the strategy. We have the win rate. Then here in blue is the really interesting stuff done with Nexus. We have a link to the layout, the win rate of the modified version, and its profit per week, as well as the indicator that I made if there is a custom indicator. And within this little bitty column right here, this is the settings that I changed within Nexus to get to these more profitable versions, which really helps the patrons understand what makes a profitable strategy. But the really cool things are these links right here. These are the forward testing links. So forward testing basically means we put Nexus into an environment where it forward tests the strategy like it's live trading in the market. And these are the links to that. And the ones marked with the green here means that they are profitable strategies in forward testing, generally over a couple hundred trades, or at least 100 trades, and a reasonable amount of profit. So we'll just run through 3 of them real quick. You can see this one right here, $635 profit per week. It's been trading for 2 months. This one here, over 2 months, almost 3, we have $784 in profit weekly. And then this one right here has only been trading for 24 days, but it has almost $1,800 a week in profit. So you can see how valuable these layouts and these links are to these forward testing. And it really gives you confidence that you can jump in with these strategies and hopefully continue to earn money with them. All right, let's go ahead and get back to today's testing. All right, as I said, today we will be testing a new momentum indicator. And so the source video's title says, I replaced all my indicators with this one. It almost always wins. Now, of course, interesting claims made by the source video. Now, in the source video, or at least the title, they claim they replaced all their indicators with this one, but they go on to clearly show multiple strategies that use more than just this one. And so right off, you kind of start to, question the validity of the statements. Now, as far as it almost always winning, of course, we will put the strategy to the test and see what kind of win rate it actually has. The indicator that we have on screen is called the Dynamic Medium Momentum Oscillator. It's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And as far as the indicator goes, you can see here down at the bottom of the screen, it looks very similar to basically a MACD indicator. And it has some built-in different signals that it gives for different crosses and overbought and oversold situations. And so it was rather easy to attach Nexus to this indicator. And even though the source video showed this indicator being used with multiple other indicators, or at least one other indicator, as usual, I thought it would be interesting just to test this indicator on its own and see what kind of base foundation it can provide. And so what we did was we attached the Nexus to the crossovers. And so you can see these dots here, orange dot and a white dot. And those are the moment that these two lines cross. And I believe it's called the signal line and the slow MACD line, possibly. Nonetheless, these lines here make this cross, and when they make the cross, that's what gives these dots here. Orange dots mean a short trade, and a white dot means a long trade. And so you can see here that we pick up an orange dot right here, which would have been a signal to enter into a short or a bearish crossover. And we would have put our trade right here. We would have put our stop just right here at this pivot point here, and we would target the 1 to 1.5 risk to reward, which would put us right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. All right, so you can see we just kind of consolidate for a moment, make a push to the upside, get close to our stop, we avoid it, and then make this push to the downside, getting us to our take profit. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the numbers on this indicator. So we just go ahead and exit out of the bar replay like so. Turn on the Nexus backtest indicator. All right, so we have a 43.5% win rate, 336 trades altogether, 20,000 bars looked back in about 3 months worth of trading. Puts our total profit and loss at a gain of $12,907. Puts our total profit and loss per week at a gain of $905. So as far as being on the default settings, it's a pretty solid strategy. Now, again, it's only a 43.5% win rate. So as far as it almost always winning, according to the source video, definitely not the case. It's losing more than it is winning, but with the 1 to 1.5 risk to reward, it's still able to maintain profitability. And so, like I said, pretty decent as far as all things considered on the default version. Like I said, 1 to 1.5 risk to reward, and we put our stop at the last swing or low, depending swing high or swing low, depending on long trade versus a short trade, and we ride it out either until it hits the stop or the take profit. We don't flip the trades even if we get a signal in the opposite direction, and once it closes out, we then take the next signal, whether it's long or short, and repeat the process. Now, of course, we tweaked the settings, played around with a few things, and we came up with this version here. So now we have a 49.5% win rate, 396 trades altogether. Again, about 20,000 bars in 3 months worth of trading. But our total profit and loss per week, or total profit and loss altogether, is $33,093. Puts our total profit and loss per week at $2,321. So a significantly better increase in the profitability using it this way. And of course, we will put these settings in the spreadsheet that we give all the patrons of the channel. So as a patron of the channel, you will get these update settings and be able to hit the strategy that is bringing in this kind of profitability and higher win rate. All right, so that's going to do it for this indicator here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the yes list because the original version, the standard version, did rather well. And of course, we'll note this more profitable version here within the spreadsheet, and we'll move on to the next video from here.